In this BDRSuite How-to Series video, I'll show you how to add a Linux machine for backup. Let us get started. First, open the BDRSuite Backup Server console. Enter the username, password, and click Sign In. Navigate to Data Sources menu and click on Servers and Endpoints. Following that, click on Add Host button and choose the Linux option. Manual agent installation is the default and recommended option for adding Linux machines as a data source for backup. Backup Agent is a mandatory component for Linux backup, and you'll need to install it on each host you plan to backup. It operates on port 32004, so make sure your firewall's rules allow this port. You can download the Backup Agent based on your Linux distribution, such as Debian or Red Hat. In this demo, I'll install the Backup Agent on a Ubuntu machine. Click Download alongside Debian Linux and get the Backup Agent. Now, let us look at the Backup Agent installation process on the Linux machine. Open the terminal and sign in as the root user by using the command sudo su. Then, locate the BDRSuite delegation service file. Unzip the installer file using the command shown on the screen. Next, run the BDRSuite delegation service binary file. Following that, read the agreement. Click the button I accept and proceed. Next, enter the DNS name or IP address of the machine where you installed the BDRSuite backup server. Once the backup agent is installed on the Linux host, it will automatically connect to the backup server using these details. Choose the backup component based on the type of backup you need. Please note that BDRSuite only supports files and folders backup for Linux. Select the option Only File Level Backup and click Next. Review the configuration and click Install to begin the installation. BDRSuite Backup Agent components are now being installed. This might take a few minutes. Let us wait for the installation to complete. Finally, click Finish. BDRSuite Backup Agent is successfully installed and will automatically connect to the backup server using the IP address or DNS name provided during installation. This may take a few minutes. Meanwhile, you can verify and manage the BDRSuite Backup Agent from the directory shown on the screen. Once the backup agent starts running and establishes connection to the backup server, the Linux host will be successfully listed as a data source on the backup server. You also have Bulk Agent Installation option to install backup agents on multiple Linux machines simultaneously using any third-party tool. For step-by-step instructions on bulk agent installation, check out the link in the description. Now that the Linux machines are added, you can configure files and folders backup. Go to Backup, Configure Backup, and click on Linux. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Visit our website to start your free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.